Gordon can get it done, baby. 1 year later, Mr. Hall brings me his truck after having Ceramic Pro Gold installed on it last year. And guess what? No swirls. He bought it brand new, had to do a tier 3 on it last year, and he maybe washed it once, and it was in horrible shape. Now, 1 year later, washing it almost every weekend, no swirls, no bad scratches. Coating did its job, guys. Ceramic Pro Gold 4. Installations of 9H within a 1 day period. Then the next day, putting on top coat makes a system that is solid, that performs year after year after year. It's not a laughing matter like my phone